Remove the floor of this foreign shoe. This is a foreign shoe. Now this does not come with a floor, all right? So we're going to create the floor now. Watch. Subscribe to this channel. Please like this video. It's important to like my video so that YouTube can share it with other people to learn too. Okay, I know you give me a like on this video. So this is what you do. First you trace, then you cut. Guess what size I'm doing now? Guess right and win something. Win a playlist. Link to all my pattern drafting video. You understand? Just guess right and I'll send you like a free link. Okay. So my name is ABC Shoes. This is a platform where you learn everything that concerns shoemaking for yourself. You know, you learn about the whole business of shoemaking, the production aspect, the sales aspect, everything. We are a channel that supports your dreams of becoming a pro in shoemaking. Okay, so once you have this, now this is exact this. Okay, so we need to bring out the floor. So by doing that, you take the tip of your pen tool. There's a gauge here, so you pick the measurement of this gauge. Use your index finger, pick it up. All right, your index finger attached to the body of the sole. Then the tip of your pen should be exactly on the size of the welt, okay, or the gauge. Then you pick it up, transfer it to the paper this way. Then you go around. Watch carefully what I'm doing. Yeah. So go round, 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 round. Subscribe, don't forget, and give me a like. Share on your social media platforms is very important. Okay, please on your notification bell so that YouTube will get to notify you anytime you drop a video like this, and click on the other link for video end screens that will appear at the top of this video so that you get directed to our playlists to watch other amazing videos. Okay, so once you have this, now you can check, you can now trim it so that it can fit in. So let's trim a little and trim a little. Yes. So we have pattern, all right. So we are going to trace this on fiber. We have the pattern. So let's trace a fiber. This is a fiber. So you trace, stabilize, and you trace. All right. So you flip. We cut. So you cut. So, huh? So. Gosh. So you're placing it on faceless. All right. So mark it out to avoid wasting of gum. Just mark it out so you can cut out. Let's mark for allow for drying. Then you can place and cut. Replace. I need mallets. So let's join them fiber to fiber. It's not. Yeah. It's what? Join together. And blend. You can use this or the filing machine to blend. So you got this. Alright. So this is it. The floor, subscribe and share. God bless you.